In a previous video, I left ADAS on, Advanced Driving Assistance System. I don't think this feature works because I was constantly getting this message.
Keep a safe distance, please.
Even though I was far away from the vehicle. And then I was getting one more message.
Caution, vehicle drifting.
Even though I was standing in the same spot, not even moving. I will keep this feature off. It's not working for me. I think it's broken. I'm done using it, period. It's annoying. I'm gonna keep it off. I also left the Wi-Fi on because you can install Dashcam app and control your camera. You'll need to go to a Play Store, type Dashcam, and install this one, Dashcam by Technologies. Okay. Create an icon on your home screen. You have to make sure your location service is on. Click on it. Select your area. I'm here in North America. Continue, accept terms and conditions, and then add a device. Smart Dashcam. If this app will work with other dash cams, just choose the one that you have. I have Smart Dashcam. Device is powered on. Next, and click allow. Now, as you can see, it's connected to the dash cam with your cell phone. I'll modify my password later. Click cancel, click on settings. So here's a few things you can do, almost the same thing that you can do on the camera. Change the resolution, audio, G sensor, something you cannot disable in a camera, only through the app. Timestamp and logo watermark. I'm gonna turn off logo watermark so it's not gonna be showing all the time. ADAS, I'm gonna keep it off. Firmware version, and then you can go to your SD card. It's gonna pull up your entire library. You can view the footage, or you can download the footage from the camera directly to your phone. So you can scroll down, you can see the dates and all of the footages, emergency, and everything that it's been recording. And then you can go to your camera and you can actually see the live view. And you can even take a picture from your phone. Just point your camera somewhere and photos. That's it, that took a picture. This is pretty much it. This is what I didn't cover in my first video. And if you would like to see my first video where I unbox the camera and set it up, click on the link in the description below.